फुटबॉल मॅच जे आसा इट स्टार्ट एट 3:15 गेट्स विल बी ओपन एज पर द मॅनेजमेंट आणि 650 सुमार स्टाफ डिप्लॉय केल्या आणि ATS, TCR वॅन, पिंक फोर्स, IRBN प्लाटून प्लस आमचे सब डिविजन साऊथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट सगळे धरून ऑल आर्म्ड स्टाफ विल बी डिप्लॉयड एट द गेट्स. Checking of tickets will be done by management, frisking and checking of people antecedents will be done by us at the gate. Basically 3:15 gates will be opened as per the management. आणि ताणी म्हटल्यार जवळ 16,000 लोक येवपाची शक्यता आसा. अरेंजमेंट्स हॅव बीन डन. ताणें तांचो डिप्लॉयमेंट चार्ट दिल्या. प्रत्येक 2 गेटीचेर एक मॅजिस्ट्रेट डिप्लॉय करतले. CCTV cameras are at place, which is we are having a control room here. Like alcohol, food and beverages will not be allowed except baby food or medical reasons. Any tablets and all if they have to take carry, that's allowed with prescriptions. Bottles, thermos flasks, any types of containers, tin cans, flag poles, any other stick or rod will not be allowed. Cameras, computers, recording equipment, selfie sticks, personal computers, laptops, animals, weapons, fireworks, crackers, lighters, flammable items, laser pointers, strobe lights, musical instruments, amplification equipment, flares, etc. Bags, helmets, motorcycle helmets, musical instruments, toxic, illegal, hazardous substances, coins, pen, earphones, headphones, any article to be used for commercial or charitable purpose will not be allowed. Banners, signs, symbols, any political or religious advertisements, any other item can hamper the security will be confiscated. Any substance containing tobacco leaf including but not limited cigarettes, cigars, pipe, tobaccos, hookahs, chewing, dipping tobaccos and any illegal drugs will not be permitted. We are worried of fireworks beginning of Diwali and all, so we request not to carry any sort of fireworks. And evacuation plan also has been drawn.
Stadium area has been divided into sectors, zones, and the responsibility is given to the SP. There are 4 SPs deployed for this bandobast as in charge of all these sectors, and they will be managing and deploying staff as per the scheme. Checking of the stadium in view of the security aspect. Parkings have been identified outside the stadium and staff have been earmarked for this parking of vehicles. SP Traffic has circulated another scheme for the security and smooth flow of the traffic. We have briefed our staff. We have told them to be very polite and very firm in their duties. Staff have been deployed well in advance before the match, so that no any untoward incident take place. Magistrate arrangement has been also done, and SDM will be personally present to look after these arrangements.